Hello everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will explain how to switch between manual and automatic modes. Automatic has two states, fully automatic and semi-automatic. Fully automatic. One cycle is completed and the next cycle continues. Semi-automatic, stop after the completion of one cycle. There are two ways to switch. 1. By clicking the manual and automatic buttons on the touchscreen. By turning the physical manual and automatic knob on the electronic control box. Tips: all operations on the manual page of the touchscreen can only be performed in manual mode, and clicks are invalid in automatic mode. After the manual operation is completed, then it needs to switch the machine to automatic mode, and then click Start to produce the EPS foam products normally. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.